Will AI replace your job in the future? Tools to stay ahead. Will AI take your job in the next 5 years? The truth might shock you. From customer service to coding, AI is already replacing human roles at an alarming rate. But here's the good news. You can future-proof your career today. In this video, we'll reveal the jobs most at risk, the skills you need to survive, and the best AI tools to stay ahead. Stick around till the end for a game-changing tip that could save your career. Section 1. Jobs most likely to be replaced by AI. According to a Goldman Sachs report, AI could replace 300 million jobs by 2030. But which jobs are first on the chopping block? Top 5 jobs at risk. Data entry and administrative roles. AI automates repetitive tasks. Customer service reps. Chatbots like ChatGPT handle inquiries. Basic coders. AI writes code faster than humans. GitHub Copilot. Content writers. AI generates blogs, scripts, and even books. Graphic designers. Tools like Canva AI and Midjourney create art in seconds. If your job involves repetitive tasks, AI is coming for it. But don't panic. There's a way to stay ahead. Section 2. How to future-proof your career. The key to surviving the AI revolution? Adaptability. Here's how to make yourself AI-proof. 3 must-have skills for the AI era. White heavy checkmark AI literacy. Learn to use AI tools. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. White heavy checkmark creativity and problem solving. AI can't replace human ingenuity. White heavy checkmark emotional intelligence. Jobs requiring empathy, therapy, coaching are safe. Best AI tools to upskill. ChatGPT, OpenAI for writing, coding, and brainstorming. Notion AI, organize work and automate tasks. Runway ML, AI video editing for content creators. Tome AI, generate stunning presentations in minutes. The future belongs to those who work with AI, not against it. Section 3. How to make money using AI. Here's the best part. AI can actually make you money. Here's how. 3 ways to monetize AI skills. Freelance AI services. Offer AI-generated content, chatbots, or automation. YouTube automation. Use AI to create faceless channels, like this one. AI-powered e-commerce. Dropshipping with AI-generated ads and product descriptions. The secret? AI does the heavy lifting while you earn passive income. Conclusion and call to action, 8:31 to 10 o'clock. AI isn't here to destroy jobs, it's reshaping them. The question isn't, will AI replace me? But how can I use AI to get ahead? Start learning AI tools today, and you'll not only survive but thrive in the future. If you found